Hey guys, welcome back to Shiba Inu Crypto. I can't believe my eyes, Shiba Inu Army. History finally has been made. Shiba Inu rose to prominence during the retail investor frenzy of 2021. The year generated a return of 43,800,000%, blowing every other asset class out of the water, including other cryptocurrencies. That would have turned an investment as small as $2.29 into $1 million in dollar terms. For context, the same $2.29 investment in crypto leader Bitcoin would have grown to a measly $3.65, since that token only appreciated 59.8% for the year. In this video, we will talk about what's the latest happenings in the Shib world. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content on Shiba Inu price predictions and expert analysis. Without further ado, let's begin the video. Over the long run, arguably no asset class has helped people generate wealth, quite like the stock market. Even though stocks don't go up every year, the average annual return of the equity market is higher than other asset classes, such as gold, bonds, and housing. But it's an entirely different story if you narrow the lens. Since the pandemic bottom 26 months ago, cryptocurrencies have run complete circles around the stock market. Even with the value of the crypto market declining nearly 60% from its all-time high, the aggregate value of digital currencies has soared more than $1.1 trillion, or 806% since hitting its pandemic valuation bottom. On January 1st, 2021, a single SHIB token could be purchased for a minute $0.00000000073. If you're curious why there are so many zeros, keep in mind that when Shiba Inu made its debut in August 2020, it had a 1 quadrillion coin supply. Less than 10 months later, Shib would rally to hit its all-time high of $0.000008841. Shiba Inu did end 2021 on a bit of a sour note. Yet, even with a greater than 60% retracement from its all-time high, Shib closed out 2021 with a gain of around 46 million%. A single year gain of this magnitude may not be seen again. Aside from vastly improved visibility, as in more crypto exchange listings and better liquidity following the launch of decentralized exchange ShibaSwap in July, its crypto market dynamics appear to have been Shiba Inu's top catalyst in 2021. While it's relatively easy to short-sell publicly traded stocks or purchase derivatives such as an options contract, betting against cryptocurrencies not named Bitcoin can be extremely difficult. Some crypto exchanges don't allow short selling. This created a natural buy bias that fed into an already momentum-driven social media campaign. But the question is whether their coin can ever reach $0.01. For some context, SHIB tokens could have to increase more than 84,000% for $0.01 to become a reality at the time of this writing. 3 catalysts would be necessary for Shiba Inu to make a run at $0.01: coin burn, innovation, and social media-driven momentum. The biggest challenge for Shiba Inu is to reduce its enormous circulating coin supply. That's where coin burn comes into play. Think of coin burn like a publicly traded company repurchasing its stock. By reducing the number of outstanding shares, each remaining share becomes much more valuable. In theory, the same thesis would hold water with coin burn. By sending tokens to dead blockchain addresses which can't be accessed, each remaining coin should be more valuable. Last year, Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin, whose mysterious founder Ryoshi gifted roughly half of SHIB's circulating coin supply, sent more than 410 trillion tokens to a dead blockchain address. 41% of SHIB's 1 quadrillion coin supply in one fell swoop was permanently taken out of circulation. More large burn events would be needed to propel SHIB to $0.01. Second, Shiba Inu's developers would have to wow investors with their innovation. This includes the upcoming launch of Layer 2 blockchain project SHIBARIUM, which is designed to substantially lower transaction fees, and the subsequent launch of non-fungible token-based gaming. SHIBARIUM launching successfully is critical to NFT marketplace transactions being executed at a reasonably low price. The third necessary factor for Shiba Inu to hit a penny would be social media momentum. Just as close-knit communities and hashtags drove new money into Shiba Inu last year, excitement over the project would likely have to hit new highs to gather enough momentum to send SHIB more than 84,000% higher. Let's see what Shiba Inu is doing on the 31st of May. Shiba Inu's price on the 31st of May is $0.0001217, with a 24-hour trading volume of $565.63 million. SHIB is up 0.93% in the last 24 hours. It is currently minus 1.86% from its 7-day all-time high of $0.000124 and 20.24 from its 7-day all-time low of $0.00001012. Shib has a circulating supply of 549,063.28 Shib. Shiba Inu is currently in 16th place in the crypto market cap rankings, with a total valuation of $6.4 billion. The Shiba Inu price is currently 0.0 plus $0.001161 and is 1.35% down yesterday. Shiba Inu has fallen 6% in price in the past week due to the crypto crash. Shiba Inu had not seen such low prices since October, when it began an incredible rally from $0.000065 to $0.00008 in the space of a week. That's a 742% price increase, which would have returned a $1,000 investment into $8,420. The low Shiba Inu price right now is a good time to invest for anyone who's been waiting to buy the dip. The record Shiba Inu burn rate currently also suggests a price breakout is likely at the return of a bull market. Shiba Inu faces many hurdles, from a lack of adoption to incoming regulation, but it's not suffering those issues alone. The same problems are very much plaguing the entire cryptocurrency industry. Even the leading tokens have failed to garner mainstream support from businesses or consumers as payment mechanisms. There are 589 trillion tokens in circulation, so at the current price of $0.000012, their total combined value stands at $6.9 billion right now. If Shiba Inu rose to $1 per token, simple math dictates their total value would soar to $589 trillion. It would make Shiba Inu 264 times more valuable than Apple, the largest company globally, and makes smartphones, computers, and many other products. It's unlikely that Shiba Inu, which produces absolutely nothing, is deserving of such a lofty valuation. But the idea gets more ridiculous when considering the current net value of all the recorded wealth on Earth. That number is in the vicinity of $431 trillion. If every individual, business, and government converted all their cash and assets into Shiba Inu, that would only warrant a price of $0.73 per coin. The solution, therefore, seems pretty straightforward. Take as many Shiba Inu tokens out of supply as possible. The metaverse is a collection of worlds hosted within virtual reality, and Shiba Inu's developers have created one for their community. It's set to feature an exclusive area for Shiboshi non-fungible token holders, games, and other 100,000 virtual land plots. Transactions inside the Shib metaverse will be facilitated using Ethereum, but Shiba Inu tokens will play a unique role that could help to reduce supply. Owners of virtual land will have the ability to assign a name to their plots in exchange for a fee paid with Shiba Inu tokens. Those tokens will then be burnt, that is to say, removed from circulation forever. As supply falls, the price of each token will need to gradually rise to maintain Shiba Inu's current market valuation of $6.9 billion. If 10% of the 589 trillion tokens are burned, each token would organically become 10% more valuable. Assuming Shiba Inu's total value of $6.9 billion remains the same, the existing supply of 589 trillion tokens will need to shrink to just 6.9 billion. That's a reduction of 99.99998%. But even if that happens, the result might not be what investors expect. For it to work, every holder of Shiba Inu will need to burn 99.99998% of their tokens, which means the overall value of their position would remain exactly the same. The enormous reduction in the number of tokens they would own would offset the organic rise in value to $1 per coin. The only way to create actual value is for Shiba Inu to find a form of real utility that could trigger greater adoption. If people don't need to own Shiba Inu, it will merely remain a vehicle for speculation. As it currently stands, there's no basis for Shiba Inu to rise to a $589 trillion valuation, and therefore $1 per token is entirely out of the question. Still, a mass burning could get the price to $1 cosmetically, even if it means nothing in reality. That's a wrap for today. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content.